Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Technology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to fix File Explorer crashing problem in your Windows 10 computer. So you just need to follow me. So first of all, make sure that your computer is up to date. So if you don't know how to check, then just go to your start menu, click on the settings button over there, and after that go to update and security. And now from here you have to select Windows Update, and after that, as you can see, it's showing like restart now. So I have to restart my computer after update. Okay, so from here you can download and install the update. Okay, so after done, you have to go to your File Explorer, click on View, then go to Options, click on Change Folder and Search option. After that, from here you have to clear your File Explorer history. So click on Clear. Once it is done, please click on OK, and after that close this window. Okay, so now what you have to do, you need to go to your My Computer once again, right click on this PC, click on Manage, once it is done, you have to click on Device Manager. After that, you have to expand Display Adapters. Now right click on your display adapter and click on Update Driver. Click on Search Automatically for drivers, and it will search from the internet. So as you can see, I am already using base driver. So just close this window after update, and now you have to go to your start menu or click on the search menu over there and type over there Registry Editor. Okay, and after that click on Registry Editor app. Click on Yes. Now after that, you have to expand HKey current user. Then you have to expand software. After that, you have to expand classes. Then you have to find here local settings. Okay, so here is a local setting, as you can see. So under classes, you have to expand local settings. Now you have to expand software. Then you have to expand Microsoft. Then expand Windows. Then you have to expand Cell. Under Cell folder, you will get two folder like BAGMRU and BAGS. Okay, you have to delete these two folder. Just right click and click on delete. Right click, click on delete. Once it is done, you have to restart your computer and it will fix your problem. So I hope this small video will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any queries or question, then comments down below. I will see you guys on the next video. Take care.